Hey there, this is LaQuita with quitabughandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I wanted to share with you a quick masculine birthday card idea. So I'm actually using two stamp sets. I am using the Happiest of Birthday stamp set. This one is actually a retiring set in the current annual catalog. I really like this set and I love this large birthday sentiment here, but I'm using this set for the sentiment, and then I am using Cactus Cuties for a little image on the envelope as well as on the inside of the card. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. So I am going to start by doing a little bit of die cutting first. I'm gonna bring in my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Remember, for the month of March, this machine is on sale, 20% off, so it's regular $60, and you can get it right now for $48. So really great deal. So I've got my plate number 1 here, then I've got a cutting plate, and then I've got this piece of basic white cardstock, and then I've got 2 of the rectangle stitched dies. So the smaller one is the one that I'm going to cut out of my basic white. So I'll just run that through really quickly. I love my mini machine. It fits perfectly just right over here on my craft desk where I'm actually creating. And then I keep my larger machine over by my window, but this machine is just so convenient. Okay, got that, and you have that nice stitched edging on that. Okay, then I'll put plate number 1 and 2 back in. This is some Granny Apple Green cardstock, and then I have got a larger stitched rectangle, another cutting plate on top. We'll just run that through. And I've got a direct link to the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine in my online store down below in the video description for you. Okay. All right. Okay, so now that we've got those pieces cut, let's go ahead and do some stamping on this basic white stitched rectangle. I'm just gonna go ahead and bring in both of my ink pads. So I've got Misty Moonlight, which is a retiring in color, you guys. This one is from the 2022. Yeah, in colors. And then I've got Granny Apple Green. So if you wanna get those in colors, you better get them now because they do sell out quickly once they go on the retiring list. So I've got Misty Moonlight for my sentiment. So I am stamping "It's Your Day, Enjoy It." I'm gonna put that, I've got something right there. There we go. So I am going to stamp that right here in the center. Okay. Looks good. Then I have got a piece of basic white cardstock. This is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And I'm going to stamp my sentiment, which is going to be "Happy a Little Bit Late Birthday." This is for the inside of the card. So I needed this card. I needed a masculine card for a March birthday that I am late sending this card out for. Needed to send it out a week ago. But yeah, so I thought this sentiment was perfect. This stamp set, this Happiest of Birthday stamp set was perfect. Okay, so we got that "Happy Little Bit Late Birthday," and then I'm gonna stamp this little pot from the Cactus Cuties. Stamp that in Misty Moonlight, down here bottom right. Then another piece, this little cactus piece in Granny Apple Green, just line that up. I thought this was a nice masculine, you know, cactuses. I thought that would be great for a guy card. Okay, so we got that. And then actually, let me go ahead and bring in my envelope, and let's go ahead and get it on the envelope as well. Okay. Yeah, I'm super late getting all of my March birthday cards out. All right, there we go. And then while I have my envelope out, I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue, liquid glue here on the flap, and put some designer paper on here. So I've just got this piece of designer paper. This is in Misty Moonlight, and it is from the In Color 6x6 designer paper. So that coordinating designer paper for the 2022 In Colors. Is that the right side? Okay, yeah. Whew. Okay, thought I glued it on the wrong side. The wrong pattern, but nope, that's the pattern I wanted. And I'll just bring in my snips and just go ahead and trim this down. Yeah, if you struggle to use up your designer series paper, adding a little decorative envelope flap is a great way to use it up, and it just adds a nice cute touch to your envelope. Just have a little bit hanging over on this side as well. Envelope done. All right, let's start putting the actual card together. So I have got a Misty Moonlight card base. This is cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 inches. So we'll just fold that. Give it a nice crease with the bone folder. Okay, then I've got a piece of Granny Apple Green cardstock. This is cut 4 1/8 inch by 5 3/8 inch. And I do have all of the measurements for this project over on today's coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. Then I've got some of the Pattern Party designer series paper. I love this paper. You get lots of fun, colorful patterns on the front, and then there's black and white pattern on the back of all of the different prints in this collection. But I love this designer paper, and it is on the retiring list for the current annual catalog. So this piece is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And I'm just gonna layer that right on top and then get this onto my Misty Moonlight card base. So I'm just using my Stampin' seal to do that. So we'll just add that on. So you're just gonna get a really thin peak of that Granny Apple Green behind the designer paper. But I liked this pattern. I thought this was a great pattern for a masculine card. And I liked the colors too. All right, so we got that on there, perfect. And then let's go ahead and add our inside panel with our sentiment. Happy little bit late birthday. Okay, got that. And then for these two pieces, I'm gonna add these die cuts on with dimensionals. Okay. Uh-oh, sounds like Malachi's waking up, so I better hurry up so I can finish this card up, finish this video. Okay, got that. And then we'll put this in the center. That, perfect. Okay, so to finish this up, I'm gonna add some of the 2021-2023 In Colors. These are the In Color Jewels. Now, these actually don't match the colors in the designer paper, but I thought it was close enough. So I'm gonna use the Pale Papaya little gems here. Just pop a few of these on. I thought it still looked really good, even though Pale Papaya is not in this designer paper. Just put 3 on like that. And there you have it, you guys. That finishes up the card. I think it's a really great masculine, manly card. I mean, you could give it to anybody, but I think it's great. It's perfect for what I need, and I love it. And then you've got the coordinating inside. Isn't that great? So it's your day. Enjoy it. Happy little bit late birthday. So So anyways, love the card. And we have our coordinating envelope. So yeah, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's quick and easy tutorial. Don't forget, you can find all of the measurements and all of the supplies for today's tutorial linked and listed down below in the video description. And stay tuned because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.